والنجوم معك.
Imagine creating stunning images, professional videos, and even original songs, all without lifting a paintbrush, touching a camera, or strumming a guitar. Sounds unreal, right? Well, it's not. In this video, I'll reveal the secret to using powerful AI tools that can transform your creativity into cash, just like the Door brothers, who've mastered this to build a monetized channel with just 37 uploads. Stay tuned, because this could be the game-changing opportunity you've been waiting for. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Asraful's AI Wealth. Today I'm going to guide you step by step on how to generate unlimited images, transform them into professional videos, and even create AI-generated songs. And the best part? No one will ever guess this content is powered by AI. Let's look at the Door brothers channel for inspiration. They use AI-generated songs and videos, earning impressive revenue with only 37 uploads. And yes, their channel is fully monetized. If they can do it, so can you. Whether you already run a faceless YouTube channel or are just starting out, this video is your blueprint for success. Step 1. Prompt generation. The first step is creating a prompt for our images. I rely on ChatGPT for this because it delivers accurate creative prompts. The exact prompt I'm using today is included in the description so you can follow along easily. Step 2. Text-to-image creation. For creating stunning AI-generated images, my go-to tool is Leonardo AI. It's user-friendly, free, and produces unmatched quality. Here's how to use it. Visit Leonardo AI, link in the description, and log in. Click on Launch App to access the interface. Check out the user-generated images for inspiration. You can even use the same prompts they've used. Go to the Image Generation tab, paste your prompt, and choose between classic and flow modes. Select your aspect ratio. 16:9 is ideal for YouTube videos. Once you hit Generate, you'll get incredibly realistic images. When satisfied, click Download to save them. Pro tip, try the Flow State feature to generate multiple images at once. It's free for a limited time, so don't miss out. Step 3. Image to video transformation. Now let's bring these images to life as videos using two powerful tools, Miniax AI. Sign in and click Create. Upload your images, enter your prompt, and set your preferences. Generate up to 3 videos for free at a time. Pro tip, use this tool during off-peak hours for faster results. Kling AI. Log in and use the free credits provided. Upload your images, select the mode, and enter your prompt. Generate high-quality videos with durations of up to 10 seconds. Both tools deliver stunning professional quality videos that look incredibly realistic. Step 4. Generate AI songs. Now let's add a soundtrack to your creations. Suno.com is an incredible platform for AI song generation. Here's how it works. Sign up with your email and access the song generation interface. Write your lyrics or let ChatGPT create them for you. Choose your music style, give it a title, and click Generate. In just minutes, you'll have a professional quality song to pair with your videos.
يا حبيبي احكي لي على الليل والنجوم.
Conclusion and final thoughts. With these free AI tools, Leonardo AI, Minimax AI, Kling AI, and Suno.com, the possibilities for creativity are endless. Whether you're making realistic images, stunning videos, or captivating songs, these tools eliminate the need for expensive software or professional skills. Many creators are already earning money with these techniques, and now it's your turn. Upload your creations to platforms like YouTube, Spotify, or SoundCloud, and start building your brand or generating revenue. Take the first step today and let your imagination lead the way. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to Asraful's AI Wealth for more tips and tricks on leveraging AI for wealth creation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.